to provide some context for the audience, I will throw out the first couple of questions, one for our Copado panel and then one for Brooks. And so to Copado, and anyone can answer, everyone can answer, could you please explain what DevOps is and what role it plays in the development, deployment, and maintenance of Salesforce instances?
Yeah, absolutely.
That's a small question.
So I mean, from the base level, right? DevOps is just that combination of development and operations, right? It's everybody does DevOps because everybody does development and everybody does operations. But I think as we've really matured and tried to put a process around what does good DevOps look like, it's been how do we find ways to help people efficiently move technology towards meeting their business process needs. And how do we help people move quickly and really move what we talk about is moving at the speed of business. And so DevOps is the thing that allows you to move quickly. And so it encompasses a lot of things, right? It encompasses ideation, it encompasses development, it encompasses testing, it encompasses, doing, packaging and releases and monitoring and all of those things that go from kind of ideation to release and then kind of that monitoring stream along the way. And so, when we talk about doing this in the Salesforce instance specifically, one of the things that I love to talk about with people is this isn't some sort of crazy magic bullet or something that people haven't been doing. People have been doing this for a decade. The thing that people haven't been able to do is take all of these things that work outside of Salesforce and make it work for Salesforce. And so Salesforce being the low-code platform, right, the easy platform, as it's become a real enterprise platform that companies are actually managing their business on, it started to get those enterprise problems that come along with being an enterprise platform. And now we have a way to actually take these practices and start applying the things that companies have built for a decade outside of Salesforce to Salesforce and actually get kind of that decade worth of maturity in a single swoop.